response to Lahore's alarming air quality, the Punjab Provincial Disaster Management Authority declared smog a calamity, prompting the provincial government to announce a state of emergency, with the city maintaining its status as the world's most polluted, recording an air quality index of 439, well above the safe level of 50. Authorities took swift action. The PDMA banned crop residue burning and intensified efforts against vehicles emitting smoke. Factories causing pollution face strict penalties, while deputy commissioners have been empowered to implement necessary measures. Masks are now mandatory for students, and smog emergency measures extend across the province. The Lahore High Court also intervened, directing an immediate smog emergency, emphasizing the government's responsibility and urging awareness campaigns. French President Emmanuel Macron has expressed his disdain for the divisive debate around the value of Jewish versus Palestinian lives. According to AFP, during his visit to Kazakhstan, he emphasized the importance of protecting civilians in conflict zones, especially mentioning Gaza. Macron condemned attacks on civilians and urged focusing efforts on punishing terrorist groups while safeguarding innocent lives. He stressed that every life matters and advocated for a humanitarian pause in the fighting to prioritize the safety of civilians, highlighting the need to refrain from targeting those who are not involved in terrorist activities. According to AFP reports, the World Health Organization has expressed relief over Egypt's decision to accept 81 injured and sick individuals from the Gaza Strip for medical treatment. While this marks a positive step, the WHO highlighted the pressing need for medical assistance for thousands of injured civilians and individuals with chronic illnesses in Gaza. Al-Arish Hospital, located near the border, will serve as the main referral hospital, equipped with intensive care facilities and surgical teams to handle severe injuries, including trauma and burns. However, the situation in Gaza remains dire as the region's only cancer treatment hospital has shut down due to fuel depletion. Health officials confirmed that 16 out of 35 hospitals in Gaza are currently not operational. The lives of 70 cancer patients in the affected hospital are at grave risk. In response to the ongoing conflict in Gaza, the BBC's World Service arm has announced the launch of an emergency radio service for the region's residents. This program aims to provide crucial information to the people of Gaza, offering updates on the latest developments and essential safety advice. BBC News Arabic will oversee this vital service, ensuring access to information about shelter, food, and water supplies. The service will be produced collaboratively in Cairo and London, with the first broadcast scheduled for November 3rd. Starting from November 10th, the service will run 2 daily programs, emphasizing the BBC's commitment to providing timely and essential support to the people of Gaza during this challenging time.